Guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this 8BITDO controller for Switch. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. Again, I got this 8BITDO, and again, it's an Ultra 2 Bluetooth controller. This is all about the controller for Nintendo Switch. So again, this is not a sponsored blog, but I just got this one in Amazon. So again, we're going to unbox this. I just got this one brand new from Amazon, and again, I just will see what's in the box. Okay. Oops. So there you go, guys. Again, there's an extra for your controller. It's a pad thing, and again, we have the controller, and this is beautiful. Wow, nice one. It's a matte color black. Again, this is the controller, and again, this is a wireless one. And again, I have here a docking station in this box. They're gonna open everything here, and then we'll see what's here. So there you go. Again, this is the USB-C charger, and that one there. And you are going to put your controller over here. So again, it's gonna be do the charging. So all you have to do is to put your USB-C cable, which is they have it here in the box. Okay, so again, this is what they have in the box. So the good thing here is that not much. This is the documents. They have it here. So they have the manual. It's a switch to BT mode. Press home button. So everything is here for your what do you call that one? Instructions. Okay. So again, that much in the box. So hopefully, again, this one's beautiful color actually, because it's matte and matte black. So yeah, so it comes with this thing here, and all you need is to I think we need to charge this one first before we started or something. So it says here yeah, USB-C. That's a Bluetooth over here. You see that one? That's this 3 gold is for the charging, and then on top of that one, which is that one, so that's gonna be a Bluetooth. And what they have there is that controller charge grip, and then wait for the connection. So again, basically we just turn on the Nintendo Switch, and then I think wait until it will be connected. But I think I need to charge this one first before it can start, or actually it's already we have a battery, but we just need to charge this one. So again, just to press this blinking here, the white, as you see, and then when you turn it off, again press hold, it will be turning off your controller. So but again, guys, yeah, I got a beautiful one here. I just got a Nintendo Switch 2, which is a really good one. It's having fun playing with the it comes with a bundle of that one with a Super Mario World, That was beautiful. So that's why I was thinking about this one here, because it's gonna be nice to play with console or controller, and then compare with the small one that they have those Joy-Con on that Nintendo Switch 2. So again, for my hands that's really big, I think that's the one, or this is the best for me, because I can hold it nicely, and yeah, I think it's so beautiful, so nice. And I think this kind of a brand, which is the 8-bit do, I think this is a really good brand. It was been recommended to a friend, and he was telling me that this is the best one. So I just got this one from Amazon. This is about $79 when I got this. And again, the you can use this one for Switch, or you can use in Windows gaming. And yeah, it's a product name. It's a charging dock. It comes with that one there, and yeah, this is a really good one just to start with. For me, I'm not a gamer, but I'm just trying to uh, have some comfortable for this controller. That is why I decided to buy a controller so that I can, play around and see I know it's gonna be fun playing with Nintendo Switch. Um, but again, I'm just practicing. I'm not a really gamer. So but anyway, guys, again, I got lots of unboxing video on this channel. And again, if you are not yet subscribing, please do subscribe. And you can share and share my videos to your social media. And again, just try to subscribe if you're not yet subscribing my channel. So again, I think that's about it for today. This is all about the unboxing of this and how it looks like. And later on, I'm going to try it on my Nintendo Switch, and hopefully, I'm gonna be enjoying playing with the Super Mario World. That was really fun. I tried it last night, and it's really fun. And that's what I've said, that playing on a Super Mario with my small Joy-Con controllers. It's really small one, but I think this one's really beautiful. So, but anyway, guys, again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing, and we'll see later on if I can use this one on my Nintendo Switch. So again, thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful day.